Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The slow progress of the proposed upgrade works for the track at the Montego Bay Sports Complex is making it difficult for the Milo Western Relays to meet its objectives, according to meet organizer Ray Harvey. More in this report. The track at the Montego Bay Sports Complex has been in disrepair for 2 years now, meaning that meets like the Milo Western Relays, one of the oldest on the local calendar, has had to be relocated for its last 2 stagings. According to meet organizer Ray Harvey, he has been assured that upgrade work will begin shortly at the facility, but he's worried about how slowly things seem to be moving.
The last thing I heard was from our minister, which was sometime in September, when she said she would leave no stone unturned to make sure we have a track for next year. Yeah. I have no doubt that she intends to live up to her word, but I'm a little nervous because nothing seems to have started yet.
Yeah. Harvey, who was speaking at Saturday's most recent staging of the Milo Western Relays, which was held at the G.C. Foster College, says the relocation is defeating the original purpose of the meet.
One of the most important functions of the Milo Western Relays is to save the teams in the West the expense of having to come to Kingston for a first-class meet. Yeah. No, they will have to come to Kingston anyhow. It is not what we set out to do. We set out to create development for track and field in Western Jamaica. We are going to continue to try and do that, but it's difficult, very, very difficult, without a stadium in Montego Bay.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange did offer this response, speaking at Sunday's statue unveiling for Olympic champion Asafa Powell.
We are in the process of, we have actually already done an estimate. We are now in a budget period, and the funds are being secured to do Catherine Hall, and so it will be done. We're going to make every effort for it to be on target for next year.